When your Fujitsu air conditioner remote stops responding, battery issues are the most likely culprit, causing 60% of all remote malfunctions. First, test your batteries with a multimeter. Each battery should output 1.5 volts. This battery tester shows 1.63 volts, which is perfectly healthy. Replace any batteries reading below 1.3 volts. When replacing batteries, follow this specific procedure. Remove the old batteries and wait exactly 30 seconds before installing new ones. This waiting period clears the remote's memory and ensures a fresh start. If new batteries don't solve the problem, try reset procedures. Start with a soft reset by removing batteries for 60 seconds, then reinstalling them. For persistent issues, perform a hard reset. After installing fresh batteries, simultaneously hold the power and mode buttons for 10 seconds. This completely resets the remote's internal memory. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve 85% of remote issues without requiring professional service. Using premium alkaline batteries extends remote life significantly and saves money compared to service calls. When battery replacement and reset procedures don't solve your remote control issues, the problem likely involves the infrared sensor system. Let's explore how to diagnose and fix these more complex problems. Infrared communication requires two components: the LED transmitter in your remote and the IR sensor on your air conditioning unit. These must have a clear, unobstructed path to communicate effectively. First, check for physical obstructions. Furniture, decorations, or even dust can block the infrared signal. The path between your remote and the air conditioner must be completely clear. Cleaning both the remote LED and AC sensor is crucial for proper function. Use a cotton swab lightly dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol to gently clean both surfaces. Your remote should work effectively within a 20 to 25 foot range when you have a direct line of sight to the air conditioning unit. Test from different positions to ensure consistent performance. Electronic interference can disrupt infrared signals. Common sources include LED lighting, fluorescent bulbs, other remote controls, and wireless devices. Identify and temporarily disable potential interference sources during testing. For advanced troubleshooting, use your smartphone camera to test if the remote's infrared LED is working. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press any button. You should see a purple or white light from the LED if it's functioning properly. Seek professional assistance if you notice physical damage to either the remote or air conditioning unit, if the remote works only intermittently, or if none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the issue. Professional technicians have specialized tools to diagnose complex infrared communication problems. Remember, clear line of sight, clean sensors, check for interference, and test with your smartphone camera. These advanced troubleshooting steps resolve most remaining infrared sensor issues. When in doubt, professional help ensures safe and effective repair.